It doesn't matter. Say that you will be happy. Join a live on Facebook. Maybe say you share Atsu ne live kakra. Then enra ne claps ye man. Players on your mercy can what they did for Christian Atsu. Then enra time will be drew ye. Kotoka International Airport no. Whatever happened there, and they join a live on Facebook. Maybe say me know me share. Then we will know how Christian Atsu. How a dignified person he was. Yes. Papa, you see, say nipa da sani akọ wi ase wakotwa picture e colored. Some passports. A do time who you know. You paint picture na black and white. It tells you how life is here will be ase. Someone an off-road plane every kromako or body a business class flight. Baby you ties kakese. Nemum when he was returning home no or dem se cargo. Niema ye kwato atwene. Niema ye de brobi. And dem ne ye neighbor. That explains how life is. Papa, right there. You see, maybe say a Koko to International Airport because it was Mecca say one way I did a year no matter how the cases went, and Ghana for trade Christian. Now you look at on Saturday, time of a catcher and say Christian Chu Akabe into Mude, no mooneba. And so this was in Turkey. Inti Christian Tuna yedena to stretcher so stretcher ni rolling like okoto airplane num because the Christian Tuna air bagana. Just look around. Unhu obi a ho. Christian Tuna air where amanfo okroma. But on a do time na ye de na eba no e nua na ata no enimia ba ko na ka no ho e de Christian Tuna ba kroma. And this was the timer. Na ye de Christian Tuna e free Turkey and na bagana. Papa. Who said na make catch o say I wanted to envision how Omufio sit here. Na enra. Minya ma enra ye nuanom TV3 for eko fio. Na pa. Omuko duru fio no. This was how Nefio sit here. Papa, okay. Look at the faces of Christian Tuna Busianfo. Kenuamo. Join a live on Facebook. A Christian Tuna Busianfo. Me run fie because I wanted to mbesa na me hwe fio se na fio sit here. Send ye enai omoni mu sit here after say Christian Church conference Christian Church free because obeka here time earthquake ni see on Monday last 2 weeks now what me no on Wednesday na make say Christian Church so tiase a video from Obufi onomo people were happy, they were jubilant say omunua na ho ato no menra Christian Church fie penua mo anim look at how they were feeling. It tells you how life is. And no, it's what the whole day na me ra ho because come at TV3 for the video way back on channel. I was just trying to be in their shoes, trying to know how I'm feeling at that particular time. Money. Yeah, just look at their faces from morning. Sad faces in Kwa. Very, very, very sad incident. Then what happened here? No, now you go to airport or no. You look at this video where a time and not Christian two months drew here around by 6:37 ho. The number of people who are watching Christian Atsu. Ghana for trade or trade and people all around trying to wait for Christian Atsu at the airport. Omo mujina won nyina abusuan for wom and number 4 wom Ghana football for wom supporters for wom. Every person was there just to wait for Christian Atsu. He remains very free take here by. Now there's a time I play ni bedru here. Play ni bedru here. Everyone was just trying to just go there say by your mewu say here and they play our bedru. And it tells you how Christian Atsu, how people were waiting for the guy. Because Nema Paddy, make us a chroma there. One of the few people are why they my papa, they my Ghana for no Christian Atsu count. He has been someone why make us a philanthropist. Oh yeah, man for Papa. This was the time when the bush for bedru. I walk to International Airport. And to mom would be any more coding in the bush for we just look at how they were crying. Obia, Obia, every single person be over piano say Achubusian Nkuadia. You see, I was really, really sad about it. Then you go to time I did to the upper. I had a way as some crowd mammy. Just look at Christian Atsu. Christian Atsu Muna Yafa. It says soldiers had not from the Conhua or when I got to a case a carmuno. After a short ceremony with the vice president of Ghana, Omunina by Ebe Chedo the Triano. I can't and say any Christian Atsu, or remember man a state burial, or remember man a befitting burial deserved for someone or a hero for our nation. Enti Atsu and I didn't go on my dark or two. Just look at this.
Very bad.
Very sad incident.
Very sad incident. Audio joining and live on Facebook. Sumpa FM.
Very sad incident.
The remains of a Christian Atsu and a bedu and ra. They took a ya san.
Very sad incident.
Okay.
Enti Atsu and I had not to hold more. Yadene kono. Very sad. Beapa. One say abaya me na two screens here na ta no. Enti this Christian Atsu. Unso oyata.
Yeah.
Enti oba no. And no time unso okọ take hobby.
Yeah.
Eko hwe se nua na betim de nua na to play mood na ba kama. Enti nua ba na bedu on na ode ade akata ne ti a. Amanfo video no sa esunku a. Ni ata ni. And apa nipa o ma me who ya pa was this lady. Ni nua or didn't say the last 2 weeks ago ya ni nua ate where about football. Ade a chenye just 1 week 2 weeks ago later. Akacha nse ni nua o me fa ni funu fa na mra Ghana. Ina ko fa ni nua na ode na eba no. Just sad incident. I don't need and a man for us here. Omo to train away because the way the woman was crying, obi o airport obi out you from omo hona. Omo say nipa o ma mo wra hopa ya atu nua ba no. Because almost free play mu o ye le ho kura nye. Just look at her. On a tomo just obi betwa mu anu wa so kakra na wa train away. No obi ne din komo, no obi ne kasa just to console the woman. And really sad time. But you see, one thing is among former footballers in the world, across the whole world, no, I want to know the train, no, Christian but one thing from Ghana, Echo football class baby, and every club be Obama and Ibiano, and now extra the train Christian Atsu. Oko second my Bournemouth. Oko second my team with Nottingham Forest. But you look at this game, Nottingham Forest for and they almost extra the train, no. And the Killer Navas mo and Nottingham Forest for players no omo regina hono mo a very nice picture. You can see that na the day so ho the day again you know what's our club no so omo chedo the day the captain of the Black Stars to a Black Stars player and the omo chedo the tire nua no and how and they what's the kind of English football class bebre and you Nottingham Forest nko there are teams are omo this veterans are him time to about to any just a young boy.
Very young.
And of course, I can't imagine. Oko loan. I hold because Oko Chelsea no. Oko loans be and one of those clubs na Vitas are him. Oko Vitas so then Vitas for fans. Let's share all the Christian Atsu. And this Vitas for fans no. What they did for Christian Atsu. Omo train din kese kama Christian Atsu and obi o no. Aso and the torchlight.
Yeah.
Ne phone wa yi torchlight no. E dey vigil for a branch of Christian Atsu. And then the whole of almost the money no oboge ni bia mudru the jersey number o se na papa na I tell no jersey number 19 ho and in the 19th minute obia there's something very nice for Christian Atsu and that is how I call you among there are others papa this FC Porto na anyone ni po me real who ye pa Danilo about no see academy Juventus no because time na Christian Atsu wo Porto no na only Danilo with the same class Danilo fi won about Real Madrid and o free work call City and o free City call Juventus and you not am bo game ni we no niam o tire ye no papa o time no Christian Atsu e wo FC Porto no edu time so mo call lunch na so mo ko didi a o mo nam to aduane ne so a obi a we na ma wie no na o je do sports be Atsu nko ade o be we na san budo mpenum enti o mo chef ne ba na obi sa why is the hungry Atsu why is the hungry Atsu one for the hungry Atsu because broni de on den call winners o je na boduru bo na wayi bo na to atwene na Atsu ka che ne se onu ni fi a wo frim no ye nsa ye aduane na mom kasai eso ye aduane enti eso we kasai no awi aduane ni nyina ka ho na de ba call kai Christian Atsu pa ne se tama na o ba firi wa ko team for Atsu ka che ne se senior o be kwa ma me jesi na wo jesi na de ma me wo ba ma ka che me ba ne se ne Danilo Esia kan at the same club and they Jesse Atsu so the man no obeka che ne ma se Osiakan with one of the best players ono so nesi akan and that is Christian Atsu me can story the way me to na ma wusumiti
yeah
how people idolize a branch of Christian Atsu and this our own Danilo Juventus for is omo captain no and they this how nema okafa yinya Christian Atsu ho and then FC Porto the team no Osiakan dem no na obo edema a Royal Ave and FC Porto nyina na no ya na no nwumre no na FC Porto ne Royal Ave na ebo until both clubs ni na they is Kepler Lima Levran Pepe Pepe and a Rayo Avisu players no and a moon in a church here almost idolize
Jesse numbers
or share Rayo Avi number 20 FC Port or share 27 and a moon in a general hold on just look at now the video they got for us and there's Christian Chu and ne Rayo Avi and the FC Port to phone Obia wo we are bia or Christian Chu asem ni bia no and ya so every person bia no try say obey in their own right now and the kit for be at their main you for the Christian Chu na Romelu Lukaku ed ne de ba enu anwumre Lukaku time Lukaku ba Chelsea first no na oni atu nya na munya bo no bi mo on the Cologne and atu su Cologne atu de ya de Cologne sabe aye den Lukaku de team san ba back be game back de mo ba atu de be o time na wo honom no nipa na o kan be na pa e Christian atu and in some of instances no yeah Christian atu Romelu Lukaku and on Instagram and say pictures ni go or can send for Christian atu and luckily for him or she go and or you saw the opportunity no and the kakra a show I can say some sort of love for Abrante for Christian atu or we again no control some can go Twitter I can say Instagram rest easy brother this one of the hard ones to take something very nice for Christian atu.
It was amazing to be around you
say your humbleness and love for God to Nyankopon enti papa onipa bebre including even Chelsea for club like so see aka mom no Chelsea for club like before the game against Southampton club no na Ghana for wom the Chelsea club no so no was second one more pay and this is the Chelsea game against Southampton and am so extra doka kra e che nua Christian atu say even though say want man yakwa and see aka ma club de bebre na mom no they still remember him say he was a player signed onto their club and he also buy by almost be they come at the moment. I just see a kind of Newcastle. And Newcastle for they did something really marvelous for any African Christians. You're gonna live on Facebook now here. Papa, before the game, Newcastle for fans to the kind of it wasn't about the team Lancashire fans, no. I shall say with the Christian too. Now, Papa, when no me anything more sound than them out, but this was the explanation for the sound. I say, can't you hear this song? Oh, Atsu, Christian Atsu, he is so wonderful. When he scores a goal, oh, it's beautiful, magical. When he runs down the wings, he is fast as lightning. And before the game, no, na omo tonyo nyungwe na omo to omo de ba ni nyina say omo any onua Christian Atsu. A player will see a kind of omo film. And the fans don't so no the trouble. The clubs themselves, omo before the game also boy against Liverpool. Omo Liverpool for fans ni nyina Jurgen Klopp omo Mohamed Salah omo every player bi omo nyina. Ejina also chedo the onua Christian Atsu. And this was the game. Including Alex Maxine Chop. I can say Alan Maxine Maximan. Maximan there say time out. Christian Chuba.
There was a guy be na obeying part. It means a super hini no.
Yes, Maximan.
Yeah, super hini no. Just before the game.
Papa, just look at the face of ne yere ne man. Ne mam yenu ni. Omo from ba St James's Park off. And omo buy omo yere na omo yina. Ne man dey ball mu say but they didn't dey su. And kware do omo sele ni bibia ba hwe ne yere no. She's crying osu. Omo ne man dey to omo ball mu say ketwa ne dey kware do hu ne oye. Na mo ne yere na kasa de otwo na osu. Alan say Maximan say tap odi atu nyina about the same period. Na odi be through hodom no. Na odi atu bo the same position. New players oba. Ball na mo ball no. Onu nim say atu ball no ball do bia. Atu ye player holding on to the ball. But onu no oye player o move very fast. Yeah. And the coaches no I prefer onu than Christian Atsu. Na mom no every time you go game a Christian Atsu ba nchen. Omo ye bo the same position o. Atsu ba nchen. I man motivation.
I say bright training kwan.
Kwan de no. O man motivation say minua mo oba mu ball no yankwa be we ne Satan ne Newcastle ne man shada nko ye ne mum o hye nkwa every time and no before the game no you could clearly see say Alan St Maximan ni so hini no and ogina ho and after the game ko can send be braid for Abrante for Christian Topa and no the clubs all along Europe obia then say you friend no I can say Mohamed Kudus enwa papa na o ma de ba kwa wanwa Kudus say all football who say one or send the first free kick goal.
Wow.
Yes.
Similar to the last free kick goal.
Yes.
Oh.
Yabu na kwa kudu anim because the fact is almost some free kicker Dusan Tadic. Any other place the free kicker will team my friend no. I can't say. I ask. Then what me nim nearby ye. Also no free kick up on our here.
Left is
ah.
Where Elijah?
Yes, whatever players no mujina chen, players no. every single 1 2 3 4 players they done in chain a free kicker a David Klassen and doesn't Tadic or when what's happen free kicks no class in the ball no but Klassen say number 3 I catch a free kick no and lo and behold a free kick more about where up there or both our pepe the same way now to the last goal in football no or said that same goal I went to finish Christian Atsu and Ra or movie you know or yeah RIP Christian Atsu Japa and it was just side incident and a question just look at this picture obia every single person touching obia consolino RIP Christian Atsu
okay
and I you just see anima papa but Enra I never quite touching me I am mommy way
Savo is we na me tries and kebeba out to cry
pa
but here
mommy way omo nyina wo hono ma omo ye ceremony no obi ya wa bonten obi anywhere Christian Atsu ade no no omo ye say mommy bi ti akiri ba obi isu and I'm calling channel say mommy ade asem o say enye Christian Atsu a enka e bia ba bi crot say no enka oni ho Christian Atsu one personally Atsu abo ne be brave wo wi ase enti no o say ohun na onye ne ho Atsu koi dem pa na obeye the question be say mo say Atsu had over 150 university students on Ghana. Papa, I want to call 100 afi. Then on Baye. Or more come last year, we school. Then on Baye. And every single person be Obiano. And more Obiano, many of them are more. Atsu Abuamu, including even Nigerians. And then Ghana for Nigerians. Atsu Abuamu. And then really sad in the course. But I know you met when I say, Atsu Club no second bomb, Sana Quaketobium. Just a 14-year-old boy called Hamza Sura. Also, no, Yakoyi na akwaran so awu. And the attire spoke can say team Nangasa there. Apart from Atsu no, almost can confirm wo baako. And near branch friend Hamza Zura, just 14-year-old. Osi kan mamu junior clubs ni bi. And no so until pa enwa there all across Europe over the weekend.
Okay.
Omo na be the media Christian Atsu and this hour you capture all those incidents around the new Christian Atsu. Just